So what we're looking at here on this one, this is a Thunderbolt 3 external storage device. Yeah?
Yes. What I would like to show you is maybe that's not set up yet, but if you give me a second, I will set up this and I will show you the speed we reach. It might be interesting.
Yeah.
Megabytes per second. So that's, of course, it's a benchmark.
Yeah.
But it shows you what.
So this is showing the throughput now.
This is reading a file from the 12 big, and it shows you how fast it can read.
So what does that sort of equate to then as sort of real world usage?
So we would say copy the equivalent of a Blu-ray in a minute, 2 gigabytes per second. So imagine how many terabytes you can copy.
And that's through a single cable.
Yes. The advantages also of the Thunderbolt 3 is that you can daisy chain products, so you can have up to 6 devices connected to a host, and these devices can be storage, but they can be also I/O modules like from Blackmagic, AJA, or third-party companies. So or even a display.
Yeah.
4K, and even 2 4K displays can be connected into a Thunderbolt chain. So that's really great for post-production studio.
Yeah. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the other devices then. So we talked about on the podcast. So these are the little rugged ones you talked about on the podcast. So you're saying that people are using these, they're good for just for like actually physically sending someone a drive.
Yes.
Yeah.
They use it for having the drive with them because it's safe, because it's resistant to shock and to water and so on and dust. With different levels depending on the model, but anyway they are all protected. It's good to send a document. Imagine you're a production company, you want to equip movie theaters with films, you send them on that.
Yeah.
That's
a great idea.
Do.
And
you can even secure this. We deliver a software that encrypts the content.
Right, yeah. That's important, yeah.
So that's really good for the rugged USBC, which is the brand new product. Then we go even further with the rugged RAID, in which we have 2 terabyte drives that are striped or that can be mirrored, so that you have the maximum security. So you can have either high speed in RAID 0 with 4 terabytes, or high security with 2 terabytes available, but the drives are mirrored, so if one fails, the other one is still active and you can access the data.
Yeah, that's great. I mean, even like this, you know, you've got here I got the Thunderbolt device, tiny, nice, neat devices, you know, that with a huge amount of storage available with SSD and everything else. Oh yeah, it's great.
Yeah, so you can even have on this one we wanted to have fun and to allow audio users mostly to add a module, 128 gigabyte SSD on the back of this to allow the user to have a buffer for high speed edit, and then to store on the content of the drive, which can be nowadays, not today, up to 8 terabytes.
Yeah.
So you will have a hybrid storage with on one end SSD and on the other end.
Excellent. Well, thanks very much for the tour.
Thank you.